When it comes to paint, you don't buy a can of paint that's supposed to be that color and put it on the car. That's not painting. G&C hand matches every paint job it does. And when we paint your car, if we can't give you a top quality paint match, we guarantee that we'll paint your whole rest of your car for free. Plus, we guarantee the body and paint for 100 years until you sell it. Ask any shop you're going to. If they'll put that guarantee in writing, no one will do it. No one makes the guarantees G&C AutoBody makes.